Hello, welcome to DeepDownBooks. Take a deep breath and find a quiet place. We are glad you are here with us today. Let us relax and practice your English together. Today we are going to talk about a very special power. This power is inside you. It is called motivation. Motivation is the reason we start. It is the reason we continue. And it is the reason we succeed. But motivation is not always a big, loud feeling. Sometimes motivation is very quiet. It is like a small candle burning in a dark room. Sometimes the wind blows and the flame moves. You might worry that the light will go out, but as long as there is a tiny spark, you can find your way. Today we will protect that spark together. We will talk about how to keep going when you feel tired. We will talk about how to be kind to yourself when you make mistakes. And we will talk about the beautiful future that is waiting for you. Learning a language is like walking on a very long path. When you start the path, you are excited. You see the trees. You see the flowers. You feel strong. You think, I can walk forever. This is the first stage of motivation. Everything is new. Every word you learn feels like a treasure. You learn how to say hello. You learn how to say, my name is. You feel proud. But then the path gets longer. The sun gets hot. Your legs start to feel heavy. You look ahead and you cannot see the end of the path. This is the moment when many people want to stop. They sit down on the grass. They look back and think it was too hard. But I am here to tell you, do not look at the end of the path. Only look at the step you are taking right now. One step, then another step. That is how you walk across a whole world. Let us think about why we feel tired. Your brain is a muscle. When you learn English, you are giving your brain a very big workout. You are asking it to build new connections. You are asking it to hear new sounds. You are asking it to remember new rules. It is natural to feel exhausted. If you went to the gym and lifted heavy weights for 5 hours, your body would be sore. Your brain is the same. When you feel like you cannot study anymore, it is not because you are weak. It is because you are working hard. Rest is not the enemy of progress. Rest is a part of progress. When you sleep, your brain organizes what you learned. It moves the words from your short memory to your long memory. So if you feel tired today, do not be angry. Say to your brain, thank you for working so hard. Let us rest now. Then, come back tomorrow. The path will still be there. Many people are afraid of mistakes. They think a mistake is a sign of failure. But imagine a small baby. The baby is learning to walk. The baby stands up, wobbles, and falls down. Does the mother get angry? Does the father say, stop trying, you are bad at walking? No. They smile. They clap their hands. They say, try again. They know that falling is the only way to learn how to balance. You are that baby in English. Every time you say a word wrong, you are falling. But every time you fall, your brain learns how to balance a little better. Mistakes are not mistakes. They are lessons. They are the evidence that you are a brave person. A person who never makes a mistake is a person who never tries anything new. And a life without new things is a very small life. You have chosen a big life. You have chosen to learn a global language. That is a victory in itself. Let us practice some shadowing now. I will speak slowly. You repeat the words exactly as I say them. Feel the air in your mouth. Feel the vibration in your chest. I am a brave learner. I am not afraid of mistakes. Every day I get a little better. My journey is beautiful. I have plenty of time. How does that feel? Your voice is a tool. The more you use it, the more comfortable it becomes. You are training your mouth to move in new ways. You are training your ears to hear the rhythm of my voice. This rhythm is the secret to sounding natural. English is like music. It has high notes and low notes. It has fast parts and slow parts. When you shadow, you are learning the song of the language. Do not worry about the grammar right now. Just follow the music. Think about your why. Everyone has a reason for learning. Close your eyes for a moment. Why did you start this? Do you want to move to a new country? Do you want to understand the movies you love? Do you want to get a better job so you can buy a house for your family? Or do you just want to prove to yourself that you can do it? Your reason is your fuel. When you feel like giving up, go back to your reason. Imagine your dream is a real place. Imagine you are standing there. You are speaking English easily. You are happy. You are free. Feel that feeling in your heart. This is what you are working for. The hard days are just the price you pay for that beautiful future, and it is a price worth paying. Let us talk about the small win strategy. Sometimes we look at a big book and we feel overwhelmed. We think, I can never learn all these words. So don't try to learn all the words. Just learn one. Today, your only job is to be 1% better than you were yesterday. If you learn one new word, you have won. If you understand one sentence in a video, you have won. If you spend 5 minutes shadowing this podcast, you have won. If you collect enough small wins, they will eventually turn into a big victory. You don't need to climb the whole mountain today. You just need to reach the next tree. Then tomorrow, you reach the next rock. Before you know it, the air will get cool, and you will be at the top. I want to tell you about the power of kindness. We are often very mean to ourselves. We say things like, I am so slow, or my English is terrible. I want you to stop saying those things. Imagine you are talking to a dear friend. If your friend was trying to learn a new skill and they made a mistake, would you tell them they were terrible? No. You would be kind. You would be encouraging. I want you to be your own best friend. When you struggle, say to yourself, this is hard, but I am doing it. I am proud of myself for trying. Kindness creates a safe place in your mind, and a safe mind learns much faster than a stressed mind. Imagine the world as a giant map. There are millions of people on this map. They live in different houses. They eat different foods. They have different stories. But many of them speak English. When you learn this language, you are getting a key. This key opens the door to all those people. You can hear their stories. You can share your own story. You can travel to places you have only seen in pictures and feel at home because you can speak to the people there. English is a gift you are giving to yourself. It is a gift of connection. It is a gift of freedom. Let us return to the quiet. Take a deep breath. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Feel your heart beating. You are alive. You are here. You are learning. You are part of a community of millions of learners. You are never alone. We are all walking our paths at the same time. Some are ahead of you, some are behind you, but we are all moving toward the light. Think about the objects in your room. Look at a chair. Look at a window. Look at a book. These things stay the same, but you are not the same as you were 10 minutes ago. You have heard new thoughts. You have practiced new sounds. You are growing. Every second of practice changes your brain. It is like a drop of water falling on a stone. One drop does nothing, but 1,000 drops will change the shape of the stone. Your practice is the water. Your brain is the stone. Be patient. Let the water fall. Tomorrow you might wake up and feel like you forgot everything. This is a trick of the mind. You have not forgotten. The knowledge is just resting. It is building a foundation. The foundation is the most important part of a house. You cannot see it because it is under the ground. But without it, the house will fall. Your slow days are the days you are building your foundation. They are the most important days of all. Be thankful for the slow days. They are making you strong. As we come to the end of our time together, I want you to carry this piece with you. Carry this motivation in your pocket like a small stone. Whenever you feel worried, touch the stone. Remember that you are a brave learner. Remember that you are doing something difficult, and you are doing it well. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to be you. And you are enough. I am proud of you for finishing this practice. You have given your time to your future. You have listened with your heart. You have spoken with your voice. This is the way. Step by step. Word by word. Day by day. The mountain is tall, but you are a climber. The road is long, but you are a walker. The language is big, but you are a speaker. Thank you for listening and practicing today. You did a wonderful job. If this felt helpful, you can subscribe and practice with us every day at DeepDownBooks. We believe in your journey. We believe in your voice. We believe in your future. Have a peaceful, motivated, and beautiful day. Goodbye for now.